the world! Good afternoon! Kamusta ang lahat? Good, great, fine. Well, lots of things are going to be happening right here as we celebrate 8 years of excellence and alaga. My question is, Unilab, are you ready? What's up? Hi, Maine.
Hi, Robbie.
You want to say hi to everyone first?
Grabe, ang daming tao. Hello, everyone! Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Grabe, nakakatuwa naman makasama sa milestone ng Unilab na to. Happy 80th anniversary, Unilab!
Grabe, pinag-uusapan lang natin kanina.
Hi, Robbie. Good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon. Sir Jingo, nice to see you again. This morning.
Hello.
A pleasure to see you. You want to say hi to everyone first?
Hi, everyone! Happy 80th anniversary, Unilab!
Yes, happy 80th anniversary po. It's great to see everyone. Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Siyempre bago ang lahat, isang shout out sa Team Celine. And of course, the Team Medical.
Dapat yung Miss Marian? Anyone in particular?
Celine family.
Ayun.
Magandang hapon po, everybody. Ma'am Charo.
So beautiful.
Wow! Grabe naman.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. And congratulations on your 80th anniversary.
Ma'am Charo, salamat po sa inyong pagdalo sa selebrasyon natin ng ating 80th anniversary ng Unilab.
Thank you.